Hello everyone, welcome to my channel edusphere. In this video I would like to discuss about the previous year question paper of Meghalaya police. Already I made two videos and uploaded in the channel. If you have not watched, please go and check that two videos. So here question number 61, they ask here, Alan buys a car for rupees how much? 4 lakh and 46,000 and sells it for rupees 5 lakh and 20,000. What is his profit? So here if you see, it is given cost price. Cost price is how much given? It is given 4 lakh and 46,000 it is given, and then again given what? They have given you the selling price. Selling price is how much given? It is of 5 lakh and 20,000 it is given in the question. Now in the question they ask profit. So profit is equal to, your formula is what? Selling price minus how much? It is your cost price. So if you see here, selling price given how much? It is of 5 lakh and 20,000 given. Okay, then you have to subtract how much? Your cost price, it is given 4 lakh and 46,000. Okay, then if you subtract, you will get how much? You will get 74,000 rupees. So it means profit is how much? 74,000. If you see here, option which one? Option A is your correct option. Next question number 62, the ratio of the age of a father to that of his son is 5:2 if the product of the ages in years is how much? 1000, then the further ages after 10 years will be how much? You have to find it again. So their ages ratio has given how much? 5:2 has given. So I'll consider the present age of father is your 5x and son is how much? 2x. And if you read the question, they given here their product is how much? 1000. It means your 5x into 2x, their product is how much? 1000. Then if you multiply here 5 into 2 how much? 10. Then x into x, x square is equal to, you'll get 1000 here. Then 10 and here 10 you can cancel. Then you can simplify further. X square is equal to 100 left here. So 100 means how much? 10 square here. So here is square, you can cancel. Next x is equal to how much? 10. So now if x value is 10, then the further present age is how much taken? We have taken 5x. Then if you put the values here, 5 into x value how much? 10. So it means 5 into 10 how much? It is your 50. If you read the question carefully, they told, okay, they ask, then the further ages after 10 years will be how much? So it means you have to add here how much? 10 again. So if you add 10, it is how much? It is your 60 years. So if you see here, option which one? Option B is your correct option. Next question number 63, the market price of an article is rupees how much? 80. If it is sold at rupees 72, what is the discount? Okay, so here given market price, okay, market price is given here rupees 80, and they given selling price is equal to how much given? They have given 72. Then you can find out profit here. Okay, profit is equal to, formula is your what? It is your market price minus is your selling price. So market price given here how much? 80 minus selling price how much? It is your 72. If you subtract how much you will get? You will get 8. But in the question they given, okay, answers in percentile. So it means you have to find out what? Profit percentage. Okay, so profit percent is equal to what? You can write, so it is your profit. Okay, so profit by how much? Market price into 100. If you put the values here, profit how much, it is your 8, and then market price how much, it is your 80, then into how much, it is your 100. Then if you simplify 8 and 80, it is how many time, 10 time. Then 10 and 100, if you cancel how many time, it will go your 10 time. So it means what, 10%. So if you see here option which one, option A is your correct option. Next question number 64. MSRK Enterprise announced a festival discount of 30% on mobile phone. James bought a mobile phone for himself and got a discount of rupees how much, 960. What was the list price of the mobile phone? So list price equal to, okay, list price is equal to, your formula is what, total discount, okay, discount by discount percent, okay, discount by discount percent it is. So discount given how much, it is given 960 rupees, and discount percent how much given, 30%. It means 30 by how much, 100. So if you simplify, it will be your 960 into how much, it will be your 100 by how much, 30. Then again if you simplify, 0 and 0 you can cancel here, then 3 if you cut here, 96, it will go how many time, it will go 3 time and 2 time. Then if you multiply 32 into 100 how much, it will be your 3200 is your correct option. So option which one, option B is your correct option here. Next question number 65 here. What causes day and night? So it is your option A is your correct option. Earth rotation around its axis causes what, day and night. The next question number 66. Ashok repaid an amount of rupees how much, 9125 to the bank, which includes an interest of rupees how much, 625. What was the money that he borrowed from the bank? So Ashok repaid how much, he repaid 9125 rupees, okay. So from that, interest was how much, it is your 625 rupees. If you subtract 5 minus 5 will be 0, 2 minus 2 will be 0, then 11 minus 6 will be 5, it will be your 8. So it means he borrowed from the bank how much, 8500 rupees. So option A is your correct option. And next question number 67. Calculate the compound interest on rupees how much, 3600 at 10% per annum for 3 years. Compounded annually will be how much, you have to find out here. So first of all you have to find out here how much, total amount is equal to what, principal amount into 1 plus rate of interest by 100, then here exponent what, number of years. Then if you put the values here, your principal amount was how much, it is your 3600 rupees, then 1 plus rate of interest is how much, 10 by how much, here it is 100, okay. Then n value how much, it is your 3 years. Then if you simplify, it is your 3600, okay. Then plus if you cancel here 10, here 1 0, then it will be how much, 0.1, then here how much, 3. Then next your 3600, then if you add them how much, 1 plus 0.1, 1.1 you will get, then how much, here it is cube. So next 3600, so here cube means what, right, multiply this value how many time, 3 time, 1.1 into 1.1 into 1.1, then if you multiply them you will get how much, you will get 4791.6 you will get, okay. Then in the question they ask you that compound interest. Okay, so compound interest equal to what? Total amount minus it is your principal amount. So total amount is how much? It is your 4791.6 minus principal amount how much? It is your 3600. If you subtract these values, you will get how much? 1191.6. So it means option which one? Option B is going to be correct option. Next question number 68. In a battalion camp there are 800 officers and men. Okay, there is enough ration for them for 60 days. If 400 more men arrives at the camp, how many days will the ration last? So I will write here, it is your what? Number of officers. Okay, number of officers or men. Okay, then below I will write what? Number of days. Okay, number of days. Then number of officers is how much? There is 800 officers is there initially. Okay, then the ration will last for how many days? It will last for 60 days. Okay, then again if 400 men arrives, so 400 and 800 how much? It will be your 1200. Okay, then how many days the ration will last, you have to find out here now. So to find out, so it is your what? Inverse variation. So inverse variation, how to solve? It is your 800 into 60 is equal to how much? 1200 into x. If you simplify here, 0 and 0 cancel, then here again one more 0 and here 0 cancel, 6 12 will go 2 time, then 2 and 80 will be 40 time. So x equal to how much? It is your 40 days. So if you see here, option which one? Option A is your correct option. Next question number 69. Helen said that the ratio of her weight to that Harry is 8:9. If Helen weight is 40 kg, what is the weight of Harry? So their ratio is how much given? 8:9 given. So I will consider the weight of Helen is 8x and the weight of Henry is how much? It is your 9x. In the question it is given the weight of Helen, it means 8x is equal to how much given? It is given 40. Then if you cancel 40 and 8, it will go how many time? It will go 5 time. So x is equal to how much? It is your 5. Now to find out the weight of Henry, so what? You have to put the values here. So 9 into x value how much? It is your 5. So 9 into 5 how much? It is your 45. So it means the weight of Harry is how much? 45 kg. So option C is your correct option. Next question number 70. A truck driver drives his truck to a distance of 120 km in 2 hours 30 minutes. What is his speed? So you have to know here the formula of speed. Okay, so speed is equal to what? Distance by time. Okay, so speed formula is what? Distance by time. So your distance is how much he covered? He covered 120 kilometer. Then time is how much? Time is 2 hours. Okay, 2 hours and 30 minutes. So it means what? 2.5 hours. So 2.5 you can write here. Then if you simplify here, if you divide, you will get how much? You will get 48 kilometer per hour. So option which one? Option A is your correct option here. Okay, so if you like this video, please do subscribe and share with a friend. Thank you.